Hello friends, my name is Nitish and today in this video I am going to teach you how to get the multiple column information using Vlookup through employee ID. In the last video I have taught you how to get the information of the single column using lookup value. And in this video I'll be covering how to get if there is more than one column you need to find the information for. First, what we need to do is we need to select the cell we need the information for and then put equal to sign and then use VL, that is VLOOKUP, and press tab. The first parameter shows is lookup value. In the lookup value parameter, we need to select this employee ID and then put comma and then table array. Table array simply means we need to select the entire table starting from the first cell of the table. Click on the first cell and then Control Shift right arrow down arrow and then put comma here, and here we can see column index number. In the column index number, in the last video we saw that we used to put here column number 4 or column number 2 or column number 6 in this way. But in this video, in this class, we will be learning how to get the multiple column information. Here we need to put curly bracket, and then as we know that today in this class we are going to learn how to get the multiple column information. So for example, if you want the information of these column like hourly rate for overtime, job role, marital status, and the state, first we need to see in which column number these column lies. Starting from here, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4, column number 5. As we know that we need the information of hourly rate for overtime, job role, marital status, and state. Hourly rate for overtime, it lies in the second column. So here we need to put column number 2. Again, you can use here comma, and then for job role there is column number 3. Put here column number 3, comma. For marital status it's column number 4, comma, and last for state it's column number 5. And then again we need to close with curly bracket. Put comma here, and then in the range lookup we need to select here 0, as you already know that I've already taught you in the last video. 0 stands for false, that is exact match, and then close the bracket. And here what we usually do is we simply press here enter, but wherever we use curly bracket we need to press here Control Shift enter. As soon as you press Control Shift enter here, we can see the value appears here of this particular employee ID. If you simply change this employee ID like 6258, right here 6258, then you can see here the value changes. For example, if you want the information of the employee ID in the downside, what we need to do is simply copy the employee ID from here and then paste in the downside. And then what we need to do is simply select the all columns where the formula has appeared, and then shift down arrow, and then we need to press here Control plus D, that is for down drag. And in the future also, if you want the information of 6263 employee ID, simply put here 6263, and then again we will go for the same process. Again, select the cell where the information appears and then select this row number and then Control plus D. As you can see, all the information appear. Even if you change the value from here like 6264, you can see there the value changes. Hope you guys like the video. If you really like my video and you want to learn so many things from this channel, must subscribe it, share it, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the video.